Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a ConvertKit account for email marketing and creator-focused automation, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and initial setup. Step 1. Visit the ConvertKit website at convertkit.com and click on Get Started Free to begin creating your account. Step 2. Enter your email address to start the registration process. This will be your primary login credential. Step 3. Create a strong password for your ConvertKit account. Make sure it meets the security requirements shown on the screen. Step 4. Provide your first and last name when prompted. This information will be used in your email communications with subscribers. Step 5. Answer questions about your content and audience. ConvertKit asks about what you create, your audience size, and your primary goals to customize your experience. Step 6. Enter your website URL if you have one, or skip this step if you don't currently have a website. You can add it later. Step 7. Choose your ConvertKit plan. The free plan allows up to 1,000 subscribers, or you can select a paid plan for more features and higher subscriber limits. Step 8. If selecting a paid plan, enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. Step 9. Complete your account profile by adding your business or creator name, physical mailing address for email compliance, and any social media links. Step 10. Set up your first form or landing page by clicking Create and selecting Form. This will help you start collecting email subscribers. Step 11. Explore the ConvertKit dashboard to familiarize yourself with broadcasts, sequences, automations, and subscriber management tools. Step 12. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox to activate full account functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.